Ever tried to hold in a sneeze to avoid making a scene? Here's why that's actually a risky move. Let's break down what really happens when you stifle a sneeze and why your body wants you to let it fly. Holding in a sneeze builds up crazy pressure in your head. That pressure can actually pop blood vessels in your eyes or nose. In rare cases, it can hurt your eardrums or even cause sinus injuries. Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out germs and irritants. Letting it out is safer. Just cover up with your elbow, not your hand. But what's the wildest thing that's ever happened from holding in a sneeze? Next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out and thank your body.